Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Gan Cindy and my teammate Tan Ling Kwan are third-year chemical engineering students from University Technology Malaysia. We are here to share with you our occupational safety and health in industry project with the topic of impacts of COVID-19 on small and medium-sized enterprises. Small and medium-sized enterprises, also known as SMEs, are particularly important nowadays in any economy, and they are also at the epicenter of coronavirus crisis. Since 2018, SME has contributed more than 500 billion ringgit Malaysia to GDP every year. SME also has the largest number of micro and informal entrepreneurs in Malaysia. As of 2020, there were 1.15 million SME entrepreneurs contributing significantly to socio-economic development.
Based on the time series of Malaysia GDP and SMEs GDP, the growth of SMEs is usually higher than Malaysia overall performance. However, in 2020, the growth of SMEs GDP registered at negative 7.3%, which was lower than Malaysia GDP for the first time over the past 17 years since 2003. This is mainly due to the lockdown and business closure.
Affected by labor shortages, jobs in demand due to the new normal, and supply chain disruption, SMEs are unable to operate and face sharp drop in revenue. According to a survey, 70% of SMEs reported a 50% drop in business during lockdown. Even on partial lockdown, many firms, particularly export firms, ran at partial capacity primarily due to inadequate demand. As of November 2020, 30,000 businesses have closed down since the start of COVID-19 pandemic. Furthermore, there is estimated 40% of SMEs will close down their business operation with 2 million jobs lost if another full lockdown occurs.
In pre-COVID state, only about 1 in 3 businesses in Malaysia have implemented digital transformation strategies, and less than a quarter of businesses have a dedicated digital strategy team. The low pre-COVID levels of back-end digitalization among SMEs resulted in lower productivity, lower efficiency, and lackluster business operations during MCO. They do not equip themselves with complex digital solutions, causing them to lag behind large firms. Therefore, SME digitalization is the key to their sustainability and was accelerated by the pandemic.
As lockdown mandated the temporary closure of non-essential business and prohibited mass movements nationwide, 84% of SMEs are reported experiencing difficulties with their online connectivity and communication with customers and suppliers. Contrast these figures with those found in digital space during the same period. Online non-food shopping increased by 53%, online grocery shopping increased by 144%, and online food delivery by 61%.
The biggest challenges to SME digitalization are financing, employee skill set, and inadequate technology. So, our Malaysian government has introduced a series of initiatives to encourage SME digitalization. For example, around 28 initiatives, predominantly financial aid, under the pre-harvest economic stimulus package are targeted at SMEs. MDEC also partnered with 237 local tech companies, including network providers, e-commerce platforms, and technology service providers to offer discounts to incentivize SME digitalization.
Everyone is desperate to understand how is the pandemic going to end, and no one has the definitive answer for now. SMEs need to adapt to the post-COVID-19 swiftly in order to survive.